Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove backup in iCloud. Let's start. So this happens guys when you need to clean up. Say for instance, you have so many backup, like it's consuming so much of your space already, or pretty much you just decided to turn off your backup. You get pretty much everything that you need. So there are people who would prefer to have that kind of setup on their phone. So how are you going to do that? Very simple. First, you need to go to settings, and then when you go to your name, or you've seen your name at the top portion of the screen, just tap on that. And then when you tap on that, it will lead you to this page. Just choose on iCloud. Once you're already here in iCloud, you would need to tap on Manage Account Storage. And then take note that you could also do this, guys, in your MacBook. Pretty much, the same process. And then once you're already here, you could go to backups. Okay, this is also the part, guys, wherein you could see what eats up your space and what pretty much consume, or in terms of the files that you would need to delete, so you have an idea just based on this screen. So tap on backups, and this is where you could see this part right here, and then you just need to tap, wait, not that, um, if you tap on the iPhone, so this is what I'm using on this iPhone. If you look at the most bottom part of the screen, you would see delete and turn off backup. So once you're going to hit on that, okay, that's when you would be able to remove the backup from your iCloud. So very easy, right? So you could also go to support@apple.com, guys. You would be able to see some step by step there in case you forget how it's done. So I hope you like this video. Please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.